This is our find from our local Aldi's in Plymouth, Indiana. It is a Adventuridge portable aluminum folding table. We have one that we bought at Bass Pro.
Yeah, but not like this.
And we loved it, so we decided for what, $24.99 to give this one a try. So we're gonna open it.
Let's see what's in the box, shall we? Nice box. Oh, right, it comes with a bag, I can see that. Grab that, I got the box.
Okay, got a carrying bag.
Nice box.
Which is nice. Okay, it comes in this nice handy carrying bag. So I guess when you go to potlucks, you can bring your own little table.
B.
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 Oh Lord.
Go B. 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 Go.
That's because I'm so sweet.
Go B. B. Go
right,
B.
let's
Get
see
your own.
here.
Go get your own video. Go. Go B.
All right.
B.
Hey.
Hold on to the B.
Pick up this
Get the B.
package.
Okay. Package. Picking it up.
All right.
And the bee wants to be in here. Hold on, we gotta do something with this bee. Get it? Go away, bee.
I think I got it.
You're being.
Nope. We're gonna come back.
You're being a director.
Hey, it makes it funny, right? Okay, it says contents. 1.
Wait, let's get it out.
All right.
Where's the plastic? Plastic. We have a piece of aluminum. We have
Typical man can't.
another piece of aluminum. We have a bunches of pieces of aluminum.
Alright.
We have
Poles.
more metal.
Those are poles.
Poles. And plastic. What are these?
I believe those are the legs.
More aluminum.
Oh! Oh my god!
Oops.
I'm gonna have a bruise on one of our legs. You all know why now.
Smack.
That actually hurt.
Alright, how we put this thing together?
Well, if you let me do the directions without beating me out. Oh, that ain't good. It all comes apart. Alright. Okay, we remove packaging.
We need the scissors.
No. There's no more zip ties. Okay, it says step 1, pull the legs apart.
Pull the legs apart.
There you go. It's kind of like our easy up, but it's never easy. Alright.
Legs are apart.
Alright.
I need some space here. There we go. Step 2.
Alright. Step 2. Put the side poles on.
These must be the side poles.
Yep. You didn't grab any tools.
We need tools?
I don't know, do we?
I don't think so.
Okay.
So how did these go on?
Now, it ain't telling me that. We just snap them on. Push the stabilizer bars into the brackets on the base.
There's a little hole here and a thing there, so I'm assuming that, but if that's the case,
it's got to open up further.
It's got to open way up.
Hold on. There you go. Just kind of do it that way.
We might make it there.
Here, you go to that side, I'll do this side.
Okay, that one's on.
Okay. Slide your in first.
That one's in.
This one's kind of, I can't see.
Yeah, pulled really tight.
Okay, I'll let you do that.
There.
Alright. Oh no, I closed my directions. Son, you're about to hurt me on this. Alright.
Domestic abuse.
Yes, okay. Step 3. Put the side things on.
What's the side things? These things?
Yep. Okay, hold on.
Step 3.
They go right, no.
No? They gotta go here.
No, they go the opposite way the poles are.
The opposite way the poles are.
Yeah, this way. There you go.
Well, I had the right things that they went on.
I don't trust you. Go on the other side.
And wait a minute. Wait. Plastic coming out. Oh, get back. And see, the little things there. See that? We'll go this way.
Whoa.
Alright.
Alright. Got those on. Just drop some.
It's starting to look like a table.
Alright, and then it says push the table over the guides for the side parts. Push the tabletop plastic pins in the pre-drilled holes in the side parts. What?
Pins,
Oh,
pre-drilled holes.
okay. Look, dude, I don't trust you.
Why does it look longer? Just
I think you got it the wrong way.
I got it the wrong way. That's why.
Imagine that.
It goes this way.
Bloopers! Alright.
Wait.
Got it off the
Go
table,
catch it.
honey.
Some of these great things are coming out. There we go. That one's in. That one's in.
I don't think that one's in all the way.
Not yet. What one?
This one. Alright, there you go.
That one's in.
Okay. And there's a table.
It is.
Other than the table we're using underneath, I think it's, is it filled pretty stable?
Actually, it does. It says it'll hold
I didn't-
66 pounds.
I think it's pretty sturdy for $24.99. How much? I don't remember how much the one at Bass Pro was.
About the same price, if I remember right.
No, I think we gave more.
But it's more of a scissor one.
And this one that seems a little bit bigger surface.
Well, it's definitely a bigger surface, but it doesn't wobble too much. It's typical normal for these. But it says it'll hold 66 pounds. I doubt we'll ever have 66 pounds on
Probably
it.
eat around it or set food out.
I wouldn't go cutting on it.
No, I wouldn't cut nothing on it, but
Well, I think it's worth 25 bucks.
we put the laptop on there and do our lives outside. Give
Yep.
you more space to work on.
Yep.
Because our other one's littler. It's not as big as this
At
one.
this point, we wouldn't hesitate to pick up another one, I don't think.
Yep.
But as we get further down the road, we'll see.
No, might not like
Now,
it.
as far as putting it back in the bag, let's do that. So, it's probably opposite.
I would think so.
So,
Gotta pop these
pop
out.
this off.
See, I'd be... I'm gonna let you do that. And just fold it in, right? I think it's every two. Yeah, it's every two.
Yeah.
You did it wrong.
I did it wrong. Every two.
Yes.
So, there we go.
It's like a little puzzle, you know?
It is, actually.
There we go.
There we go. That's all folded up.
That's the tabletop.
The tabletop.
There's the bag.
Let's set that over there, because I don't know what goes in.
It all goes back to the
I know
bag.
that. And then pop these off.
And, Roy
And
broke-
already it's falling apart.
I would glue those. I think I would glue these.
Yep, I think we're going to glue the ends
Yeah.
in. These things, they just slide out pretty easy. The other one's already starting. Yours come out? Yep.
Yeah. Actually, it's got little holes. I don't know why you couldn't drill a little hole with a little screw in.
A little glue.
Alright.
But
Anyhow,
that's what I do with those.
glue those in. Whew,
Pop the
they're slick.
side off. These are made out of tin, not aluminum.
Only the tabletop is aluminum, I think.
And I guess we grab it and figure out how it folds.
Like the easy up, complicated.
Very. Oh, it won't fold.
Is there a button?
No. It's. There we go.
Aha.
On that side. Slide them up. There we go.
Watch the fingers, because you're
And
dangerous.
the fingers.
There we
So
go.
there we go.
And it all goes back in the little bag.
Let's see if it all fits back in the bag.
There's that.
It might. And the ends. It's closing on me.
It's a Roy thing. Holes.
Sides.
And last but not least, the top.
The top.
Can't see the logo. Oh, it fits. Not bad.
It's even got one of them little slidey things on the string.
Drawstring, honey.
The,
Yeah,
there.
draws it tight.
And a little shoulder thing.
Is it heavy to pack?
No, not heavy at all.
Oh, that's cool. Oh, not bad. Actually, I think it's lighter than one of them folding chairs.
Probably.
Yep. I like
probably
it.
buy another one.
Yep.
Little modifications to it, though.
Little tweak in it, it'd be beautiful.
Yep.
Okay.
What was that called again? The Adventures, what was that?
Adventuridge aluminum portable table. At Aldi's.
The Adventure Ridge portable aluminum folding table.
It was at Aldi's for $24.99.
27.6 inches by 27.6 inches.
73 pounds.
Oh, 73 pounds. No.
I wouldn't put 73.
7.3 pounds it weighs.
I'm reading it upside down.
I was saying, I know I read on here where it held 66 pounds. I don't remember, right there. Weight capacity 66 pounds.
Yep.
The weight is 7.3 pounds of it.
I was reading it upside down in my defense. And that would be it.
Get you one.
If you can.